Welcome to AI Studio, the place where you'll be able to train your own models based on your own datasets. To start, click on the Create Project button. Once on this page, you will be prompted to create a new project and start the setup by setting a name for it. For this demo, I'll name my project Test Project B. As of now, we only have anomaly detection models to train your models on, but we will have more coming soon. As for training modes, we have three modes. Fast for rapid checks and early iteration, accuracy for maximum precision for final models, and auto for balanced default with less guesswork. You'll also be able to see the estimated training time for each one of the modes. You can also select the default tags for your model. In this case, I'll select image classification. Once done, you'll want to create a new folder for your project. Click on the Create New Folder button. You can choose any name, but in this case, I'll just leave it as is. Then, click Next. On this next step, you will be prompted to upload your own dataset. You can choose from the gallery, upload from your computer, or upload using your camera. In this case, I'll import from my gallery. Then finally, review. Once you're sure of your options, click Save. You can either click on Save and Finish to just save the project, or click on Save and Train to start the training process right away. Then, just wait for your model to finish training. You will notice that in the Model tab, your model has already started queued to be trained. Once your model has started training, you can check its approximated progress in the projects list. As you can see the percentage circle on the projects list. Once your model finishes training, you can now test the model from the Model menu. Then click on Test Model. In my case, I'll select the normal image first. You will be able to see the result in the inference results screen. Now, I'll analyze an anomaly. As you can see, it correctly detects the anomaly. Besides testing your models from the Model tab in your project, you can also test your model directly from the folder it was output to, and open the model dialog to see more info on your model. Let's get to it. Click on the model that you wish to see info for. As you can see, there's a lot of data of the model, including the model details, the training process, and the inference history. You'll also have a button to test the model as well. You'll also be able to test the model directly from this dialog. Also, remember that you can always change the information of your project by clicking on the Edit Project button. You'll be able to check the category, the training mode, and the tags, as well as update your dataset in real time. And that concludes our tour for AI Studio. Thank you for watching. More coming soon.